Situated in Dubai, 2 kilometers from Sufau Beach, Grand Plaza Movenpick features accommodation with a restaurant. Free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. With free Wi-Fi, this 5-star hotel has a bar and a shared lounge. The accommodation offers a 24-hour front desk, room service and currency exchange for guests. All rooms are fitted with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a kettle, a hairdryer and a desk. At the hotel, the rooms come with a wardrobe and a private bathroom. Guests at Grand Plaza Movenpick can enjoy a continental breakfast. The accommodation offers 5-star accommodation with a sauna and sun terrace. The walk at JBR is 6 kilometers from the hotel, while Mall of the Emirates is 7 kilometers from the property. The nearest airport is Al Maktoum International, 23 kilometers from Grand Plaza Movenpick, and the property offers a paid airport shuttle service. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. TripAdvisor, trips made easy. Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.